Still think Excel is just for simple spreadsheets? Think again. In 2025, it's the go-to powerhouse for data analysis. Fast, flexible, and smarter than ever. Today, we're unlocking 3 advanced formulas that turn raw data into real insights. Okay, let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with Sumifs, a game changer when you want to add numbers based on multiple conditions. Imagine you have a sales report with 3 columns: region, product, and sales. Now you want to know how much sales revenue came from the West region only for product A. Just type this formula. Let's break it down. Here, C2 to C11 contains our sales revenue. A 2 to A11 is the region column. We're matching only the West. And B2 to B11 is the product column, filtered to just product A. Then hit enter, and boom, you instantly get the total sales revenue from the West region for product A only. No filters, no pivot tables, just one clean formula that sums your data across multiple dimensions, fast, dynamic, and accurate. This is why Sumifs is a must-have in every Excel user's toolbox, perfect for reporting, dashboards, or quick analysis. Next up is VLOOKUP, a classic but powerful function that helps you retrieve data quickly based on a matching value. Imagine you're managing a company. You have a master employee list on one sheet, a daily attendance log on another sheet that only has employee IDs. Now you want to automatically fetch the employee's full name from the master list using their ID. Just type this formula. Let's break it down. B2. This is the employee ID you want to look up. Sheet 1, A2 to B15. This is your table range, where column A has IDs and column B has names. 2. Tell Excel to return the value from the second column. False ensures you get an exact match, not an approximate one. Press enter. Excel instantly pulls the correct employee name for ID 1045. No manual lookup needed. VLOOKUP is great, but it searches only from left to right. So if you ever rearrange your data and put names before IDs, the formula will break. That's why many professionals now prefer using index and match for more flexible lookups. Index match is more flexible and works left, right, up, or down. Same as before, retrieve the employee name based on ID. But now the ID is in the second column, and name is in the first. Type this formula. This looks for the value in cell E2 within the range B2 to B15. The 0 means it wants an exact match. It returns the position where it finds that value in the range. Now, index uses that number to return a value from the same position in range A2 to A15. So if match returns 4, then index gives you the 4th item. Press enter and done. This combo works even when your data layout changes. It's more reliable and highly recommended for large datasets. Excel isn't going anywhere, it's evolving. To stay ahead, keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more weekly Excel tips, right here on Easy Click Learning. Thanks for watching, and remember, in Excel, every click can lead to a smarter decision.